Friday. I am tired, I am very sore. Super don't want to be doing this, but consistency is the key. So I'm getting after it, keeping towards those goals. It's gonna be a good day. Happy Friday, guys. So the puppies keep playing in the dirt. So it was bath day today, huh? Yeah, did you guys just get a bath? Are you guys wet little puppies? Are you wet puppies? So I've been wood burning this for like 20 minutes and, okay, that's hot. I'm almost done. So basically I created a stencil with the Cricut and I colored it in with a scorch pen. And then this heat gun is burning the wood where I used the marker. So inside the stencil basically. And I'm making these cute little coasters. It's turning out really good. Saturday morning, getting my workout going. I've got brunch in a couple hours and it's gonna be a fun weekend. Let's get started. Hey guys, it's like 2 hours later. I just got here to brunch. I'm like 5 minutes late. I got ideal parking spot in Old Sacramento. We're going to Rio City Cafe. So it's like right next to Joe's Crab Shack and like overlooks the river. So I just need to pay my meter because it's like 10:05 and the meters start at 10 a.m. So just need to pay that. But really I got like front row parking. Front row, look at this, look at this. Boom, there it is. Oh, nope, there it is. Front row. So quick fit update. So I'm wearing this jean jacket and this turtleneck. I'm wearing jeans, Gucci belt, and then I'm wearing these little black booties. So that's the fit. I'm loving it. And I'm about to walk in. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. It is about 11:30. I just finished getting ready, went to bed pretty late, so just had a nice leisurely morning. Sundays are also my day off from working out, so it was really nice to not have to wake up super early. So I took full advantage of that today. But now here we are kind of getting our day started. Not really sure what we're doing today. Initially, when we had kind of planned out our weekend, Sunday was going to be the day that we took the boat out and went to Crawdads. Like we did plan to do that this weekend, but because we ended up doing that yesterday with friends, I'm not quite sure what we're gonna do today now. We did get supplies to make more candles, and I'm not doing the usual like wine bottle candles that I was making before because like cutting the glass and then sanding down literally takes hours. Like the cutting glass doesn't take too long, but it's a cleanup, but the sanding part takes forever. So I just bought like little mason jars from the grocery store when I went on Friday. So we're just going to use those. And then, oh, kind of on like the scent topic. Okay, so you know when you like walk into like a hotel and like every time you go in, that hotel has a certain scent. They have like their signature scent. So I've decided I want to create that in our home. Right now we have you know, we have like a candle cabinet and we have like just a bunch of scents. And then we have like wall plugins, like that like go into like an outlet, like a wallflower. And so, you know, we change them out like the scents like seasonally and stuff, but like nothing is the same smell. So we decided we want to get rid of all of the random scents and pick like one and have that be like our signature scent. Like whenever people come to our house, that is going to be like our smell. So I found these like websites, and they're like aroma website things. So they have like diffusers, like the ones with the jars and like the oil, like the little reeds sticking out. They have like those diffusers, like room sprays and candles that are all the same scent. So we are ultimately going to be doing something like that, but they had little sample things of the smells, because I mean, when you're picking your signature smell and you're like buying everything the same, you really want to make sure you like it, you know? So I bought, the little samples are like, I think they were like $2 or something. So I bought 10 of them. Like I went through all of the scents and I bought all of the ones that I thought we'd like. So, I mean, it was only like $20 and I was like, that's worth it. I want to see all the ones, like they had like the description of the different scents, like that create that signature scent. So I bought all of those. They're supposed to be here on Tuesday. And so we're gonna go through, smell all of them and pick which one is going to be our signature scent. And then we're gonna order all of like the candles and sprays and everything. But I wanted to share that with you guys because I thought that was just such a cool, unique way to like really elevate your home. I mean, already you're buying diffusers, if you are already buying candles, diffusers, and like all of that stuff, why not buy everything of the same scent and really curate your space to like represent you and like the vibe you want? So I'm really excited about that. I'll show you guys when that comes in, but that will be a different vlog. So that'll probably be the next one, but I'm so excited when that happens. Okay, so for now, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I will bring you guys back when I do something worth sharing. So until then, toodaloo. Hey guys, it is a little bit later. One of Darren's best friends and his girlfriend came over and we're all gonna watch the football game together. So we decided that we're gonna like make some like cheese fondue. So we got like 2 recipes, went to the grocery store, picked up like all the supplies, a bunch of like other snacks and dips and stuff. So we are getting ready to make all of that, and they're all in the kitchen right now, but we're listening to really loud music. So I thought I would come update you guys so you know what's going on, but I obviously did not want to get copywritten. So I stepped away. I'm in our bedroom right now. I'm gonna go rejoin everyone, but I think today is kind of panning out to be like a really fun Sunday. Went from like no plans to like all the plans. So I'm really excited, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like.
I've got some new house updates for you guys. So this guest bedroom, I was showing you guys like the ladder and blanket and bed frame and all this stuff in the last vlog. However, now we have moved this rug in here that we had in the other room that we knew was gonna go into a bedroom. And then we have hung this beautiful mirror that we had in our old house. And we actually had it hung above this bench in our old house. Sadie's following me, hi princess. And so now we have put it in here. Look how cool, like the little chandelier puts like light on the wall. But anyway, I think we are gonna put a piece of artwork right here. And then I wanna get like a vibey, attractive, aesthetic type of like alarm clock or just little clock situation to like set on the nightstand. And then I think I want to get some like maybe like 2 or 3 pillows to go on this bench. But other than that, I think this room is pretty much done. I mean, look at the vibe. Yes, I'm loving it. So I've decided to do some crafting today. So I prepped this vinyl. This one says Pup Daddy and Pup Mama. I'm gonna make some shirts for me and Darren. And then I'm going to Lake Tahoe with 2 of my friends this weekend. So I'm creating these other shirts. You can't really see what's going on just yet. It's going to say Lake Tahoe, California, and then I'm gonna put little mountains in the background, and on the bottom right-hand side of the shirt that I'm getting. So then behind the Lake Tahoe on the front of the shirt is gonna be these mountains, and then these mountains are gonna go behind the 2022 on the bottom back of the shirt. So it's gonna be super, super cute. One of my friends knows that I'm making this, but the other one does not. So it's gonna be a surprise for her. I just finished the Pup Daddy shirt. Look how cute that is. So I ended up printing out like these little paw prints and adding it to it. Isn't it so cute? And then for the Pup Mama one, I haven't made this yet. I realized I didn't order any women's white t-shirts, so I just ordered some and they'll be here in 2 days. And then I cut out extra of like the paw prints and stuff. So I'll be able to add the paw prints to mine too. But this one turned out so good. I'm so proud of it. Hey guys, happy Monday. So I know I didn't do a lot of vlogging yesterday. We ended up just watching the game and catching up with our friends, so it wasn't really a time to be vlogging. But I realized this morning that I didn't end off the video. So I have come back to end off the video. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to tune in next week for the next video. I'm going to be going to South Lake Tahoe for a girls trip this weekend with 2 of my best gals for many years. So we're gonna be going there, doing a lot of fun activities, and I'll be bringing you guys along. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for